and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I went from buffy freshly washed hair to shiny silky hair to this head of full bouncy curls, all with the use of one tool. That's right, my friends, you're going to be able to throw away all your curlers and straightening wands because today I'm going to be able to show you how I created all these looks with one new tool. This is the TYMO AIRFLOW 2-in-1 curler and straightener. It has unique technology with a built-in fan. That's right, my friends, at the press of this button, cooler air is emitted from these holes so that as your hair is being curled by the hot plates, it curls around the wand and the cooler air sets it into shape. That's right, you heard me right. Unlike tools so much more expensive than this little 2-in-1 curler and straightener will also set your curls for you. Let me show you how I went from buffy hair to curly head. This is what my hair looks like when it's freshly washed and just blow dried. Nothing fancy, I just let it blow dry without actually straightening or doing anything to it. It's buffy, it's frizzy, it's dry looking, it's shapeless. Yep, this is what it starts like. Hold the button down to start it. And then I'm going to choose a level 4 to make it nice and straight. Comb out the hair and section it. This tool has 5 temperature settings from 140 degrees Celsius or 280 degrees Fahrenheit for soft or fine hair and all the way to 220 degrees Celsius or 430 degrees Fahrenheit for thick, curly and wavy hair. The edges of the ceramic plates are rounded, which allow for hair strands to glide evenly without snagging or tugging. My hair is left soft and shiny and I can't stop myself from playing with it. The tourmaline coated plates provide even and stable heat, which reduces heat damage and adds a gorgeous shine to even extremely damaged hair like mine. I don't normally straighten my hair at home with a straightening iron because I feel like straight hair on me seems to emphasize the sparseness of hair I have. However, I just can't get over how soft and shiny my hair looks and feels. I can only get this look normally when I get my hair done at the hairdressers. Otherwise, my at-home tools just can't compete with a professional blowout. There are 88 ionic tiny air vents with 360-degree cool airflow which circle the hair to cool the hair immediately and set the style. Using the TYMO AIRFLOW, I'm creating waves which normally I would create this look using a separate tool like a hair waver, a 3-pronged tool that creates this look. However, with the TYMO AIRFLOW, I can create the same look, making this tool so versatile and very easy to use. I'm no hairdresser, but I think I've done a fair job at replicating waves. And now let's move to ringlet curls, which this tool can do, and let me show how easy it is to use. Start by combing out the hair so that it's tangle free and then section it off so that you can start working with the bottom layers. And then take small pieces of hair. In my defense, I'm taking small sections because I don't have a lot of hair, and the smaller the quantity of hair that I curl, the more volume I end up with my hair. And look at that, perfect ringlet curl. Love them. Don't force me out of bed in your society. Don't push me down the road you're playing down. Don't try to fix my head, it's just your anxiety. Don't This tool is going to be a staple in my daily routine. No longer will I need a straightener and a curler. And if unlike me, you're not suffering from night sweats, then this tool will create curls that will last multiple days. TYMO have kindly given me a discount code, which I'll leave down below in the description box, in case you're interested in finding out more and perhaps purchasing this tool. And one of the last features that absolutely makes the TYMO AIRFLOW absolutely fabulous is that it comes with universal voltage. What that means to the layman is that you can take the TYMO with you anywhere you travel in the world, which is rare amongst hot hair tools. Normally they're designed for the particular country in which they're sold, but the TYMO has a universal voltage, which makes it ideal if you're a traveler and want to take your hot tools with you. One of the things that I do when I travel is actually purchase a separate hot tool for the country in which I'm traveling in. I no longer have to do that. The TYMO AIRFLOW has a universal voltage, which means I can take it with me wherever I go. It does come standard with an American plug, which looks like this. So for us Aussies, all we have to do is buy an actual adapter, which looks like this. It converts the American plug to an Australian plug. Easy peasy, and now you can use the tool in Australia without any problems. The voltage is a universal voltage and therefore it will work wherever you are. Please let me know out of the 3 styles, which one was your favorite? I will put in the comments below which one was mine. Which one do you think it is? Can you guess? Was it option 1, the sleek style? Option 2, which does look a little bit messy, but I actually like that look because it just makes me feel like I've just woken out of bed and I just normally look like that, because I do have very fine, flat, frizzy hair, which is very hard to style. And then the last look, which is the curly look. Which one is your favorite? Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you're new. I'd like to thank TYMO for having sponsored this video. And I hope you're having a fabulous day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.